my name is Gela. In my video, I'm going to share fancy French omelette recipe inspired by famous Madame Poulard omelette technique. The recipe is easy. Let's get started. I need separate egg yolks and whites. To inspect egg, I use separate bowl. If something wrong with egg, I don't spoil whole bunch. To yolks, I add in salt and milk. Milk makes this layer soft. I mix well and put aside. For successful whipping, better use glass or metal bowl. Dish should be very clean without any grease on it. My egg whites have stiff peaks and I am ready for omelette. My skillet on medium heat. To add flavor for my omelette, I use Thai and butter. First layer egg yolk mixture, then I add in egg whites on the top. Spread evenly and cover with lid. After 5 minutes, it depends of your heat. We can open lid and check it. The top should be feel springy. My favorite way to serve this omelette: cut in half and place one half on the top of other. Between layers we can add different toppings, but omelette is good as is. Cut in portions and ready to serve. Thank you for watching and visit my website gelinthekitchen.com. I have much more than on my YouTube channel.